So I'm going to show you how to make one of these lovely little sock bunnies. The first thing you will need is a sock, and obviously we're going to pop it over our tape that we've got here. Just like that. And then we're going to pop some rice in the middle. Just enough rice to get to just below the heel. Then you want to take an elastic band. Another elastic band. And then let's make the tail. Let's pinch a little bit of the rice here and get another elastic band. There we go. So we've got his tail, his belly and his head. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to cut his ears out. You might need to get a grown-up to do this, and while they're cutting the ears out for you, you could think of a name for your bunny rabbit. Next we need to add some eyes and a nose on, I think. So I'm going to add some little eyes up here. You could add a big smiley face if you wanted, or a little triangular nose. I'm going to pop a little crisscross for my mouth. There we go. And then I'm going to add a bow on to finish it off. You could have some ribbon or some string if you've got that at home. Got one of these. And there we go, there you have it, that's your sock bunny all finished. She can go and join her little family of sock bunnies. Thanks for watching, bye!